Okay, the matter where they ground this week, like I talked yesterday. Now, endometriosis. Some people go ask me again, say, what's be endometriosis? Well, before I enter inside that matter, my name is Dr. Adora, and welcome to your Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show. Okay, so what's be endometriosis again? This now when the tissues where they normally inside woman womb or uterus, like Oyibo go call them, wakakurukere begin they grow for other places. And yesterday we've been shown you some of the things we concern this endometriosis. We even tell you some of the signs and the symptoms where they follow them. And I go remind you small before we continue today. The first thing where we talk, we say, person go they experience painful periods, aka dysmenorrhea. And these painful periods, you go to experience pain for around your hip side. And this pain fit begin before the period, during the period, and even after the period. And for some people, they're going to experience pain for their back and their belly. Then for some people, what they're going to experience now, pain when they do adult play. Pain during this adult play or after the adult play, now one thing where they're very, very common with anybody who gets endometriosis. For some other people, they go to experience pain when they want to go do number 1 or number 2 for inside toilet. That now when they want to go piss or they want to go download. Then you feel they experience this thing like I talked before again during your period. This number 1 and number 2 thing we are just talk now. For some people, what thing they go to experience, for some women now, excessive bleeding. They go to bleed where heavy bleeding. And Oyibo they call this one menorrhagia. Or they feel they experience bleeding in between their period. For example, if you see your period 28, before the next 28, you can't they bleed inside. Then the most common one, in fact, this one is the one will be the major problem for most women. Now, infertility, that now woman will not feel carry belly. This endometriosis, most of the time, you go notice that they go first diagnose them for women when they come meet doctor, say, be like, say, I not fit carry belly, always be the problem. They'll come do some kind big test, them come realize, say, oh, it be like saying that endometriosis be your problem. Oh. Other symptoms fit be things like you dey quick tire, or if you go toilet, you go toilet plenty times during the day, and when you go they pass now, one kind water stool. Then for some people, they don't even feel go toilet at all. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they don't feel go toilet at all. Then for some people, their own be say their belly go they big, or they call this one bloating, or they go they do like say they want vomit. That's na nausea, especially during when they see their menses, that's na menstrual period. The severity, that now as the pain go take day very, very serious. It no mean say now as the endometriosis they do you. Not be say if your own endometriosis they very, very big, it means say the pain go they very severe. No, some people feel gets very small endometriosis, but they go to experience very serious pain, while others they go get this advanced, as in the endometriosis go don't pass, be careful, but they get little pain or no, they don't even get any pain at all. This endometriosis, another big way they follow and be say, some people they mistake them for other conditions where it cause pain for the hip side or the pelvis. Things like that be like pelvic inflammatory disease. This one now PID, that's what they call them now. Disease where they affect the pelvis and anything where they for woman them down below that side, the reproductive organ. Or ovarian cysts. This is cysts where they grow around the ovaries. Any of these ones, the PIDO or the ovarian cysts, they fit present, they fit show face like endometriosis. They fit also confuse this endometriosis with something that they call irritable bowel syndrome. This is a condition where they make person they go toilet where as in this will not be like normal diarrhea. As in the person go they visit toilet every time. This one is irritable bowel syndrome. Then if it presents like person will get constipation, or person where they experience abdominal cramping, that's not when it be like say your abdomen, the intestine and rest, then things just be like say they catch them, they release, they catch, they release. Well, IBS, this intestinal bowel syndrome, if it's follow endometriosis, as in you fit get the endometriosis, still get IBS joint, and this one will complicate the diagnosis. So when you experience all these ones, how you go know say time don't reach, I beg. If you like say this one don't pass, be careful, go see your doctor. If you want to know that gist, if you want to hear them, I beg. Tune in, same time tomorrow. Make me, myself, and I give you the remaining part of the gist. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show. I go see you tomorrow.
If you know say, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.